Welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to create your own activity within Seesaw. So what I'm going to do is I'm on my activities tab here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to browse activity library. So let's click on that. Now what that's going to do is it's going to take me back to the library where I can find all Seesaw activities that have been created. So it automatically takes me into the community like we were if you watched my previous video on assigning activities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my library. And once I go into my library, it's going to have a place for me to create my own Seesaw activity. Now, I will tell you, this is going to be very novice. It's going to be very quick. Some of these get very, very creative with videos and text and inserts and things like that. And I'll show you how to do that. This is just going to be very basic. So what you're going to do is create a new activity for your students. And I'm just going to do this as a test. It's just a test one here. And I'm just going to write this is a test. Now, right here is what the activity name is. This is what instructions you'll give your students that they see, and you can add voice instructions. So I can go in here to click record. And I want to allow to use my microphone. And then I begin recording. Hey, this is a test. This is a test. I stop, it processes. So now for my students who need read aloud of the instructions or anything like that, boom, there is a audio recording in here. So they can go in and see that. You can also add multimedia instructions, for example. That means you can go in and do a video of yourself. Hey, this is Mr. May. This is a test. You're going in. You're doing area and perimeter. You're going to be looking for life cycles. I want you to tell me what are the different life cycles of a butterfly. Can you show me how to solve using addition with regrouping? And I could do a video of me showing them how to do it with the instructions. I could show photos, drawings, or upload multimedia from like YouTube or Discovery Ed or TeacherTube, wherever you want to, and get that. You can also put in a link where they can click on the link and they can go get their instructions from another place, which is really cool. Then you can add in a template for students um, to put in their how are they going to submit their work and their responses. And hey, I want them to do it based on a video. I want them to give me a response on their video or with a drawing or a note, so you can attach those items in there too. You do have more options here where you can put notes in for only other teachers, and skills. You can't do this right here because that is a paid version. So what I do is I go in once I've done that and I've put in all of my instructions, my pictures, and my multimedia in here to show them what they're going to be doing and what they're going to be working on. It could be a picture of the worksheet. It could be a picture of the cars like I showed you in previous videos. It could be videos of me doing like a little science experiment and them saying, oh, hey, how did the water change in this? So you can do it various different ways. The multimedia really awesome on this. Then you can save the activity and it's in your activity library. Now, I know that was very basic and very simple. If I added all the pictures and stuff, it would be in here and stuff like that. But it's just a test, and that was very basic. Some of these, I mean, if you go in and look at the community, there are some people that do some phenomenal work on Seesaw. It just takes time getting those things together. But once you get rocking and rolling, then you can just see how creative some of these are with their pictures and things like that. So that's how you create your own activity inside Seesaw. Hope that helps. Thanks.